Hi everyone, in Science Fact File 2 book, we are doing acid and alkalis chapter, and today we're gonna do the topic of neutralization reaction. And first of all, in neutralization reaction, you must know that this is a chemical reaction in which something is reacting and giving you totally neutralized result. So that's why that's called a neutralization reaction. So here in the picture, you can easily see that there is one beaker. We have an acid. Acids are those chemicals which have hydrogen ion, and in the other beaker we have base, and base are the chemicals which contain hydroxyl ion. So when they react, water formed and salt will be formed, and overall there will be no acid and base in the resultant solution. So that is your neutralization reaction. And the way we need to define it is a chemical reaction where an acid and a base react to produce salt and water and utilize their acidic and basic properties. और इसकी ढेर सारी applications हैं in industry, in pharmaceutical industry, in cosmetic industry, in your wastewater treatment plants, your food industry. Um, this is one of the example which is showing here in detail, and in which in this picture showing you the procedure कि ये neutralization reaction होता कैसे है. Sodium ion in your base, which is a metal ion, so it's very reactive. It kicks out the hydrogen from the hydrogen chloride section from the acid, and takes its place and forms sodium chloride, and hydrogen combined with hydroxyl and it forms water. Basically जब आप hydrogen chloride को solution form में देते हैं, it already ionized, और जब सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड आपकी बेस ऑलरेडी आपको मिलती है इन अ सॉल्यूशन फॉर्म, तो ये भी आयोनाइज्ड होते हैं. when they combine together, when you mix the solutions, तो sodium chloride forms a salt, और हाइड्रोजन आयन हाइड्रोक्सिल आयन से कंबाइन करके वाटर बना देता है. So this is how the result produced. Hydrogen ion plus hydroxyl ion, it forms water, so there is no more acidic character, no more basic character in your solution, और जो बाकी आयन्स बन गए हैं बच गए हैं वो आपका सॉल्ट फॉर्म करेंगे. और नाउ इट डिपेंड्स कि आपके पास कौन सा बेस है. ठीक है, either you have sodium hydroxide, you have potassium hydroxide, you have lithium hydroxide or any other base, or same on the other side कि आपके पास acid कौन सा है. You have hydrogen chloride, you have nitric acid, you have sulfuric acid. So on the basis of it, there might be sulfate salt form हो रहा है, chlorides form हो रही हैं, halides form हो रही हैं. So it depends upon the particular type of acid you are picking. We have certain examples. If hydrochloric acid is reacting with potassium hydroxide, the salt will be potassium chloride and water is formed. And when hydrogen fluoride react with sodium hydroxide, sodium chloride will be formed and water will be formed. And if hydrogen fluoride is reacting with potassium hydroxide, then Kf potassium fluoride will be formed and water will be the result. When nitric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide, it is sodium nitrate which is formed in a salt category. Then if nitric acid and potassium hydroxide is reacting, then potassium nitrate is the salt forming here. If you don't memorizing the way they formed, there is a simple trick कि आप इसमें से internal portion select करें, so that will give you the salt. आप acid plus base लिख रहे हैं, so the first section from the last chemical, its first portion, और जो आपका फर्स्ट केमिकल है उसका लास्ट पोर्शन पोटेशियम क्लोराइड KCl. सेकेंड में आप देख रहे हैं सोडियम इज द फर्स्ट एंड द फ्लोराइड इज द सेकेंड फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट, so they combine and sodium fluoride is forming, and here the way you can form it and write it. This is showing on the on your screen now. Thank you.